Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to save a file as PDF on Android. If you are using an Android phone and you want to save a file as PDF on your phone, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to open an app which is already installed on your phone, which is Google Drive. Just open it. And Google Drive, you just have to tap on plus icon, then upload, and here select the file as I'm going to select image. So just tap on image and then select the image. I'm selecting this one, tap on it, and here you can see the image has been uploaded. Here's that. Just open it and here tap on three dots in the top right corner, tap on here, and here you just have to tap on print, select it, and here tap on this icon. Then two options will be show. You just have to tap on save as PDF, then tap on save, and then tap on save again, and you can rename it from here, as I'm going to rename it like PDF, then image, and after that just tap on save. So I have saved the image as PDF file. So let's see it. Open file manager, and file manager, check out new files, and in new files you can see here's a PDF image. Just open it and then open with drive PDF, and here you can see I have created a PDF of an image on my Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.